Hey everybody, Keith Dotson here in Woodstock, Virginia to photograph a gnarly old wooden house. It's early in the morning. Just look at this place. Is this not the very epitome of a haunted house? I bet the local kids tell all kinds of stories about this place. But aside from ghost stories or whatever may or may not be getting said about it here in town, here's what I learned about it from the National Register of Historic Places, and it's pretty interesting in my opinion. I'm quoting here. The Judge Mark Bird House, located behind the post office on South Muhlenberg Street, is also one of the three finest antebellum houses in Woodstock. Built about 1840 for Mark Bird, Judge of the 18th Judicial Circuit, the two-story frame and weatherboard house is Woodstock's best example of the Greek Revival style. It has a shallow gable roof, denticulated cornice, and a plain frieze board. Large 6/6 sash windows with refined trim accent the facade, while a central entrance features sidelights and a transom divided by large scroll brackets. Above the entrance is a second-story tripartite jib window that gives access to the flat roof of an elegant three-bay wooden portico with fluted Ionic columns and a full entablature. The house, which once housed the Woodstock Female Seminary, was moved back from Muhlenberg Street in 1932 to make room for the town post office. End quote. Isn't that a fascinating story? You never know what you'll find out about these abandoned houses in these small towns. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit my website at keithdotson.com.